This is Satish Rawal and I am going to teach you simple present tense. All English learners have problem in tenses, right? There is no sentence without tense. Fact is this. Okay. But today I am going to teach you where we use simple tense, right? The first one is general truth. When something is always true, we use that sentence or make that sentence in simple present tense. I have written here, the sun rises in the east. Similarly, if we write, the sun sets in the west, right? 2 and 2 make 4. These are the permanent general truth and it's a fact. In such situations, we do not use any other tense, we use simple present tense, right? Second one is the most important part, habits. All people have habits, right? I also have habits, you also have habits, everybody has habits, right? When you do something habitually and that's a present habit, we always use this language simple present tense. I go to temple every Saturday, or I can also say I go to temple on Saturdays, right? Now it's my habit now, right? I go to temple every Saturday. Here I am using go, it's simple present tense. Now the third one is future timetable. When we talk about plane timetable, bus arrival departure time, train arrival departure time, we always use simple present tense. Our train leaves at 11 a.m. right? Now the next one is permanent situations. Permanent situation means if something happens for a long period of time, it's not a small period of time, it's not a temporary thing, then we use again simple present tense. I mentioned a sentence here, I live at Vadodara. That means living at Vadodara is not a temporary situation. I live here permanently and that's why I use the language I live at Vadodara, right? You can also speak like that. His father works in a bank, right? In father works in a bank. In this situation also, in this situation also, you are using simple present tense. That also shows a permanent situation. If he is a banker and he works, it's a permanent situation, lifelong. Short actions now. Sometimes what happens, you always, when you watch a game or match or on cricket, commentators use this language. He scores a goal here, right? When you talk about movies and all these things, then also you are using simple present tense, right? The hero comes from that side, the heroine goes from that side, they meet in the garden, they play, they dance and they sing. That means in a short action now which is happening now, we also use this simple present tense. Next one is future in time clause. Actually it's called also conditional, right? It is future, I am using language here, it's a conditional language, and just you see I have written here, I won't go until it stops raining. That means it's raining now and I am just putting a condition over here, I won't go until it stops raining. Here you see simple present tense is being used in the second part of the sentence. That is actually first conditional, but here we use future in time clause, we are using simple present tense. Newspaper headlines, always they mention simple present tense. First of all, these headlines are small phrases, sometimes 2-3 words only, and suppose I have written here Satish turns 50, right? Actually when somebody turned 50, they are not writing turned or turning or something, they use simple present tense. Okay, thank you for watching this video, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't hesitate to ask me anything if you don't understand in the comment box please, and don't forget to like and do subscribe to my channel and tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.